Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We about to do some new things on my channel. On my channel. So it is HAIRtober. As you can see, of course, my hair is not done. Most of the time I come on here, my hair is not done. But it's to benefit everyone because I'm about to do it. So let's get started. I honestly don't know what I'm feeling today because I don't know. It's like really, I just be all over the place. So we're gonna pick. I'm thinking maybe an updo. What style is this? Hurry up, do it faster. Okay, so she got braid in the front. Okay, that's cute. Okay, so I'm either thinking that one, this one, or this one. Hold on, Case, I'm gonna let you out. Or even this one. Okay, I think we're just going to do, forget it, we about to do this one. We're gonna do this one. I'm gonna let it run a little bit and then I'm gonna screenshot. Ooh, screenshot. Did I get it? Oh, I got it. Okay. Yeah, this is what we about to do. Okay. So, let's get started. Okay, so first we about to moisturize my hair because, baby, it needs it. I don't even know what I did before. But we're gonna do it. We're gonna moisturize it. It feels, ironically, it feels like it's already moisturized. So I'm probably just gonna wet it. Yeah, it feels really moisturized actually. Now that I put some water on it, it just needs some water. So we're not even gonna put product on it. I love wasting product, but we don't need to like over waste it, you know? So yeah, I'm just about to do this to each one and then, yeah, I'll be back. I'm going in with my edge fixer, if I can freaking open it. Okay, I opened it. I'm going in with my edge fixer to do these edges. Y'all know how I am about edges, and y'all know how badly I do them. So let's just act like we don't know that and let's just get into it. Okay. You would think by now I should at least have something that just like works for me, but no, I don't. And that's okay, because every day is a different day, right? Every day is a different day to look crazier and crazier. So that's what we're planning on doing. I just need to, So now we're getting into this part. I don't really know if I'm gonna do it exactly like how she has it, but we're gonna mimic it similar. Okay, so she had it diagonal. That's better than straight because I can't do a straight part. And I want to say, yeah, she had more on one side, so we're gonna do it this way. I actually like that. Okay, might start doing the diagonal part because that looks way better than I expected it to. And then block this off. This is gonna be my first braid. Oops. This is gonna be my first braid. And this one will be my second, my small one. Ooh, hold on. I know to y'all this crap looks crooked, but to me it doesn't. Because every time I look back on the video, I'm just like, you can clearly see that it's not straight. But it's okay though. So we're going to, ooh. Okay. And I don't even think that's enough hair. Is y'all heads lopsided like mine? Cause I promise y'all, this side, anytime I part it, I don't get as much hair as I'm supposed to than this side. Like this side I be getting like a big chunk. But this side, I be getting like a little slither. And look, like y'all see, I see it now. Hold on. Okay, so we about to, cause I'm trying not to keep making that mistake, because the more and more, like this has really honestly helped me with my hair technique, no lie, because I'm doing my hair frequently, of course, because I'm doing it every day. But it's just like, I never realized how many mistakes you can make just because your hair is not symmetrical. Okay, now we are finished. I'm gonna leave these actually, and I'm gonna braid them last. And I'm actually going to mold my hair up first, because I have that awkward length now and no telling what it's gonna do today. So, oh, can I take all the twist out? We're gonna see. We are ready. So I'm about to brush this up. I'm trying not to use as much product because I don't want to just keep washing my hair for every style. This actually brushed up way easier than I thought it would. I was not expecting for it to do it that quickly, but okay. And of course I'm adding hair because I want it to be a big puff. So I'm definitely gonna add my ponytail extension from Better Length. Definitely invest in that because this has been really helping me on my natural hair journey, because once you hit that awkward length from that big chop, it really does get discouraging, and it's just like, what in the heck am I supposed to do? Like, I have enough hair to do something with it, but not enough to make it look like I did something. So definitely invest. And if you want some, you know, some money off, definitely use my promo codes. They're in my other videos, of course, because this is not a Better Length video, so you're not gonna get it in this video, but definitely check out my other videos for the promo code. But okay, so let's bun this because, like I said, we're putting something on top of it. I have a bun. Okay, now let's get into these braids. Since it's already parted, the braids are actually pretty simple. I'm not putting any product on it because it's actually doing really good. So we're about to braid it. Braid this one first since it's bigger, because I just want to see the direction I'm going. And I might actually zoom in for you guys to show you guys how I braid. If you actually want a detailed braiding tutorial, I definitely got y'all. Just let me know. I don't want to just keep giving y'all stuff and y'all just like, this is not what I asked for. So definitely let me know in the comments below, and I will bring that to you, because I love braiding. I learned how to braid, no lie. Like, I know it's gonna sound like a lie, but I learned how to braid in kindergarten. I perfected it over the years, but I definitely learned how to do it in kindergarten because I had an issue. I always had to touch my hair, and I ended up like taking out my hair multiple times at school. And one day my mom was like, if you come home with it not done, we're gonna have a problem. So my goody two shoes, scary stuff, I was like, okay, bet. And I took it out that morning, and I just kept playing with it until I figured it out. And even though it did not look like a crisp braid like how I can do now, my mom didn't get mad. She actually loved the effort because she was like, okay, at least you tried. Because I really was not trying to come home with that braid not done. And yeah, ever since then, just been doing my own hair for real. So it works. But okay, so we got one braid. My baby hairs actually look kind of good today. Hairs look actually pretty dope today. Okay, and now we're doing this braid, and then we are done. I'm gonna braid down towards my edges rather than back towards the ponytail, if that makes sense. And just scoop all that hair up in the front. I just hit myself in the eye. I've been hitting everybody in the eyes this whole month that I've been doing hair. I am tripping. Okay. Okay, that should be good. Oh, you guys, subscribe, follow. I don't know how you do it, but on Pinterest, somebody just saved my pin. That makes me so happy. But so my Pinterest is Shawn, just like my what's it called? Just like everything else, honestly. I'm going to screen record it and show you guys, because that just made, I didn't know people save my stuff. I get a lot of views, I guess. I don't know how Pinterest works, but yeah, this is my stuff. You see, I put a lot of time and dedication into Pinterest, so yeah, definitely follow, subscribe, however that works, because that would be totally awesome. But okay, so I have the braid done. That was my little intermission, my little commercial, my commercial break, but okay. Okay, we about to see if this works, because my hair is definitely shorter. So we will see. So we definitely do have a dilemma. My hair is too short to go like all the way in the bun, but it goes close enough to where this will hide it, which is perfect. So I'm gonna take my bobby pins and I'm gonna put them as close as I can to this bun that I have. I'm thinking if I go this way, it shouldn't show as much. Actually, it's not showing at all. Great. Okay, that works. And then this one. Okay. This one was that difficult. The first one just went in. Okay, that's perfect. Okay, so we did it. I guess we didn't have that big of a problem. We have a problem right here because his hair wants to be up. I gotta stop looking at everything because that's my freaking problem. Okay, but we're about to, y'all see this? This is where all my freaking hair ties went. I'm over here struggling with this. So y'all, I got these, right? These little small ones because I'm like, you know, my hair is small. I don't need that much. I just need something, you know, quick and simple. Yeah, my hair upgraded and I didn't. So yeah, definitely need to upgrade on scrunchies. I might take you with me because I have to get a bunch of products. I'm kind of low on a lot of stuff, so we're gonna take a beauty supply store trip soon. But in the meantime, we're gonna improvise. So y'all look at this. Y'all can tell I use it. Okay, so okay, so if you want to see how this actually looks like without it being like this, definitely check out my other videos. I'll leave them down in the description box below. But yeah, okay, this is my better length clip-in ponytail. It looks like mess, but we're about to make it pretty. So I'm gonna use the clips. Okay, one in the front. Look, I got hair already. One in the back. And then put it on there. And I love the fact that my hair grew because now I have like a lot of support when it comes to my hair just being out. Okay, then we're going to take this. You see the imprint. I definitely need to like start treating my hair better, but the imprint is there because this is what we're about to do. So I'm about to take this and I'm about to bun it. Well, not even bun it. I'm about to make it a little turn up. I think it's called a turn up or a beat, one of those two. But I made it a little turn up, so you have like this part and then you have that part. And then I'm going to take the rest of the bobby pins out that I left. And then I'm about to fold it over. It's just a lot of folding. Folding and hanging. Whatever SpongeBob said on that episode. Okay. Work with me, girl. Okay. So I did that part. And now I'm gonna take these little pieces and bobby pin them again. So I did exactly what it looked like, but now it doesn't look as matted, of course, because it's on my head. But y'all get to see why it got that way. And it's very secure, but if you guys want to secure it a lot more, of course, add bobby pins to the bottom. I just put it up. And nobody can tell me this is not mine. Because I bought it. That's why. Okay. Almost done with all sides. And this ponytail would definitely be washed if I use it in any other videos, I promise y'all. Okay. It don't stink though. It just looks like, you know, it looks like day, like, what is it? It looks like I washed it. I mean, I did a wash and go. And then it's like day 8, 9, 10. Usually people wash it like after day 5, I think, but hey. And I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and keep coming along because we have, I'm not even gonna do math. We got a couple more days of HAIRtober. Actually, a lot more days. This is only the first week of HAIRtober. So definitely keep watching and make sure you send people to my channel and have them subscribe as well because why not? But yeah, thank you guys.